Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox with your phone sideways for a more immersive experience. First, open your phone's Quick Settings or Main Settings menu. Locate and activate the Auto Rotate option, which is usually represented by a circular arrow icon. This fundamental step ensures your device can switch to landscape mode seamlessly. Double-check that this setting is definitely on before launching the game, otherwise your screen will not adjust. Once inside a Roblox game, gently rotate your phone horizontally. The application should automatically adjust to a widescreen view, enhancing your field of vision significantly. Now, navigate to the in-game settings, typically accessible through a gear icon or the three dots menu. While many Roblox games inherently support landscape, some offer specific display adjustments, like user interface scaling, for an even better fit. Playing sideways often means a different feel for on-screen controls. Explore the various control schemes available in different Roblox experiences. Some might offer customizable layouts. You may also want to adjust your camera sensitivity in the game settings to match the new perspective, perhaps increasing it slightly for smoother turns. A dedicated controller, paired via Bluetooth, can provide a significant advantage too, offering precise movements and actions. If your screen doesn't rotate, first try closing Roblox entirely and reopening it. Sometimes a quick restart resolves minor glitches. Also, make sure your phone's operating system is updated to its latest version, as this can improve app compatibility and performance. For the best experience, close any unnecessary background apps to dedicate your phone's full power to Roblox, ensuring smoother gameplay with minimal lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.